thank you so much for coming out for the opening and listening to the lovely choir, and thank you very much to Anna for running our workshop this morning. I'd like to introduce you to the Chair of Batchworth Community Council, Andrea Fraser, who is going to officially open the Folk Festival.
Thank you everyone, and hello. What an amazing way to start our afternoon here today with that gorgeous singing. And there's nothing like a bit of singing for a feel-good factor, is there? Because I think you're going to be doing a lot of that hopefully later on this afternoon. But I just want to say thank you very much to Rickmansworth Town Team, because they are constantly working on our feel-good factors in Rickmansworth. So if you could all just give them a quick round of applause, thank you so much. They have worked tirelessly. A few mentions, David, Steve, Nina, and I think a lady Jill has sorted out the bands. And I'm leaving the best till last, because Catherine has been in charge of all of the details, including, I understand, the bunting. And who doesn't like a bit of bunting in the berry? So with that, if you'd like to get involved with Feel Good Factor, please grab one of them in the yellow vest and say, I want to join in, because it is such good fun. So Batchworth Community Council are really pleased to have sponsored this event today. We hope you have a really good time, and the show is about to start.
Callun Grainger, who was here last year, but here again today. Enjoy.
We'll start off with a Neil Young song. 10 soldiers and Nixon's coming. We're finally on our own. This summer I hear the drumming for dead in Ohio. Gotta get down to it. Soldiers are cutting us down. Should have been done long ago. What if you knew her and found her dead on the ground? How can you run when you know? Gotta get down to it. Soldiers are cutting us down. Should have been done long ago. What if you knew her and found her dead on the ground? How can you run when you know? Soldiers and Nixon's coming. We're finally on our own. This summer I hear the drumming for dead in Ohio. Couldn't find the words to say, so I tried them anyway. I guess I made the situation worse. You thought I drifted from your side. You ran to find a place to hide. My love should be a blessing, not a curse. When you're down at the end, when the world gives up on 'cause I can make it all okay. Cause I'm not crazy, I'm not lazy, I've got both feet firmly on the ground. I know we'll be alright next time around. Last time out I got it wrong, but I'm sure we get along. If you could find it somewhere in your heart, so let me try and change your mind, 'cause maybe then you might find a way for us to make a brand new start. When you're tired and feeling blue, when the world gives up on you, when there's nowhere left to turn, when your bridges are open, we can find another way, 'cause I can make it all okay. 'Cause I'm not lazy, I'm not lazy, I've got both feet firmly on the ground. I know we'll be alright next time around. When you're down and feeling blue, when the world gives up on you, when there's nowhere left to turn, when your bridges are open, we can find another way, 'cause I can make it all okay. 'Cause I'm not crazy, I'm not lazy, I've got both feet firmly on the ground. I know we'll be alright next time around. I know we'll be alright next time around.
Very special bunch of ladies. Lemon Tuesday.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Can you hear me all right? Give me a wave at the back. Hi, my name's Emily, and we are Lemon Tuesday, and we're going to play. We're a very local choir, women's choir. We rehearse just around the corner, and we're going to sing some folk songs that we've learnt especially for today for you for the next 30 minutes. The first piece is actually an original by a member of our choir, Suzanne. Gives away. And this is called On Primrose Hill.
On I think it's
Not even the